Natalia here. Today we're going to be making vegan fried rice. Let's go! So we're going to do the rice for our fried rice now, and it is 1 cup to 1.5 cups of water. So we'll just we're going to do 2 cups of rice today, so we will pop it in a pan like this and out another cup, so that's 2 cups, and then we'll get our one. So because we have 2 cups of rice, we're going to put 3 cups of water, so 1.5 cups of water to each 1 cup of rice. So we're just going to pop that in there. So I'm doing 3 cups of water, and then we're going to let this go on the stove, and we're going to bring it to boil. We're going to let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, and then we will let it simmer, I guess, with the lid on. So now we will be making the sauce for our vegan fried rice. It's a satay sauce, so we will be having some peanut butter, we've chosen smooth, and garlic. You can use fresh garlic if you like, otherwise we've just gone with the minced garlic. We have soy sauce, and we've got brown sugar. Now we're going to mix them all in a bowl to then whisk it to make the sauce for our fried rice. Now we are at the exciting time of putting it all together. So for our vegan fried rice, we have our rice, 2 cups worth of rice. We have 2 carrots cut up into little pieces. We have an onion. This was a brown onion. You can use spring onions or red onion, whatever you would like. Then we have 1 cup of peas and corn. These have been defrosted. We also have a packet of satay tofu. You can also use firm tofu. You'll just have to cook it a little bit longer. And our yummy sauce that we have just prepared. So let's begin. Let's put it all together.